What's going on, everyone? This is Top Boy Trades. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment only. Let's get into it. So I was live earlier today, and I got off at like 10:30 because it was just ranging. And I was like, watch, right when I get off, it's going to sell off or it's going to break out. And of course, 10:31, 10:32, it sold off. So a little bit unfortunate for me, but who's to say that I would have taken that trade anyways? So I got back later, like an hour later, just on my computer. I was reviewing that move. I was looking at all the trades or the setups for my strategy for today, and I noticed, 2, 3 short setups were like working out perfectly. So even though I wasn't in trading mode, I was still looking at the charts, reviewing them, and I noticed that a short setup had actually been triggered just like right when I was reviewing. So I was like, whatever, I'll just take it. So I get short here at 877 at 12:15, or let's see, 12:18. Um, and yeah, so I was patiently waiting. You see, we range here. It's like a 5-minute chart. Um, and we range. So I start adding on eventually. We're dipping into profits here and there. And I'm like, all right, my stop loss is at, I think I can't really see it there, but it's about 90s level. Price is coming back up. It's testing that high of day from yesterday. And it's holding, right? We're not pushing my stop loss. So I just add on, and then it pushes it again with that big green candle, failing it to even to break that high from that entry candle. So I get short again the next candle, and I'm adding on. It's technically a winner, but it's like very small profits, but still. I like that I added on to this trade. I had conviction. And then, as you can see, price started to go my way eventually, after like a 15-20 minute range. But nonetheless, it starts to break down. And I'm looking at, but I think the 40s level. That was a very interesting level to me. It was just under yesterday's settlement price. And it's hard to see, but where the price is trading right now, you can see to the left before that move up, you can see those candles kind of testing that settlement price. You see those wicks, that green then red candle, and then it sells off and then pushes back up, and then it also ranges on a 5-minute range bar right at that settlement price. So I'm looking to get out below that. So I actually get out of one, and I try to get out of another one. Because I'm really looking for that level, and then I'm looking for like a quick flush for another 15-20 handles. So I was holding one more runner after if I would have got out of that second contract, but that doesn't play out, unfortunately. So so then we wait. I'm still waiting. I really want to just get out of this trade, because eventually I look over and I see that a long setup is actually being offered to me. According to my strategy, it's not the best long setup, especially in a downtrend day, but it was like 2 legs down, 2 vicious moves, not vicious, but 2 strong moves down. And then I was like, maybe this last pullback was actually a reversal, and then this move down is like a pullback of this reversal, if that makes sense. But that, you see that strong up move, I thought maybe that was the reversal, and then we're just pulling back and we could continue higher. So I was really getting worried about this trade. You see my average price is really close to the market price, and then my stop's still up there at the 90s. So I'm like, man, I really want to get out of this trade for break even if it trades up there. And I get a little bit lucky. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. But so I was just looking to just market out of this if it touched my entry price. And thankfully, price just floats around here. Just buy it, by like 5, 6 handles. But thankfully it misses, and I'm able to just stay in the trade, leave my stop where it is. Most of the time, I feel like leaving my stop where it was originally is the best decision. But sometimes, moving it to break even after you've captured profit is also a good decision. But nonetheless, it never trades to my entry price, so I'm still in the trade. And I'm just, at this point, I'm like, I'm just going to take what the market gives me, even if this sells off, another 15-20 handles below that price, that 40s. I'm like, I'm just going to take 40s. I missed it the first time. I'm not going to get too greedy here. I'm very happy with that target. You know, that's entries around 73. That's over 30 handles, right? So 30 handles, very good move, especially after an extended sell-off that already occurred. So I kind of missed the big move, so I'm catching a little piece of what's left, like a scalp. And you can see here it just got triggered, and then price actually did that little sweep that I was actually looking for the first time, which is another 15 handles. But you know, who's to say I would have captured that? I might have maybe gotten another 7 to 10 handles. So not really upset at all. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is Top Boy Trades. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm live every day. Thanks for watching. Peace.